this session of Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram chanting. Sarvebhyaha Harda Swagatam. Pranams to everyone. So let us start with the Guru Vandanam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje. Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave. Na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroho. Matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. Dhyanam. Let us meditate upon Lalita Parameshwari before we start the Dhyanam. Sinduraruna vigrahan trinayanam manikya maulis phurat taranayaka shekharam smitamukhi mapina vakshoruham panibhyamali purna ratna chashakam raktotpalam bibhrati सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम् ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेम पद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समन्दहसिते क्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्य भूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुमभासुरां जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्. Shrimatre Namaha. We'll chant the first 3 verses and then we'll move to the 143rd verse. Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata Budyadbhanu Sahasrabha Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadhya Krodhakarankushojjvala Manorupekshukodanda Panchatanmatra Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. Let us move to the new verse for today. That is 143rd. I think we stopped at 142nd in the last class. Bhavadava Sudhavrishtihi. Bha is a Mahapranakshara. Dha is a Mahapranakshara. And Vrishti we have Shanmukha Sha. And we have a Visarga here followed by Pa. So, which is Upadhvaniyaha. So, Bhavadava Sudhavrishtihi. If we take a pause after this and chant Paparanya Davanala. If you are chanting this continuously, Bhavadava Sudhavrishti Paparanya Davanala. Both are correct. Daurbhagya Tula Vatula Bha is a Mahapranakshara here. Jaradhvanta, Dha is a Mahapranakshara. Jaradhvanta Raviprabha. The last letter Bha is also Mahapranakshara. Bhavada Vasudha Vrishtihi.
भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः
पापारण्यदवानला
पापारण्यदवानला पापारण्यदवानला
भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला
भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला.
Now I will chant without taking a pause also. Bhavada vasudha vrishtiः paparanyadavanala.
भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला
दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला
दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला
जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा
जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा
दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा
दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा
भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा
भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा.
So in this verse, we have two names in the first line and two names in the second line of this verse. Bhagyabdhi Chandrika, Bha is Mahaprana. Bhagyabdhi, in Abdhi we have Ba, Alpaprana Ba and Mahaprana Dha. So Bhagyabdhi Chandrika, Bhakta Bha Mahaprana and Ka and Ta, Bhakta, Chitta, double Ta, Chitta, Keki, Ghana, Ghana, Gha and Gha Mahapranakshara's. भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका भक्त चित्त केकी घना घना रोग पर्वत दंभोली. So here we have in damboli bha, ma and bha. Bha is a mahapranakshara. Roga parvata dambholir mrutyudaru kutharika. Tha is a mahapranakshara in kutharika. भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका
भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका
भक्त चित्त केकी घना घना
भक्त चित्त केकी घना घना भक्त चित्त केकी घना घना
भाग्याभिचन्द्रिका भक्त चित्त केकी घना घना
भाग्याभिचन्द्रिका भक्त चित्त केकी घना घना भाग्याभिचन्द्रिका भक्त चित्त केकी घना घना
रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिः
रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिः रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिः
in this particular verse, there is a, we can, if we are splitting and learning, for the learning sake, I'm splitting this here. Roga Parvata Dambholihi and then Mrityudaru Kutharika. Okay. However, this line we will chant together when we are doing the Parayanam also. Even though there are two different names in this line. So when we chant, we will chant together. But for the learning purpose, I'm splitting with Visarga here. There is a Sandhi happening. So if I split, it is Roga Parvata Dambholihi and Mrityudaru Kutharika. But if I chant together, Roga Parvata Dambholir Mrityudaru Kutharika. Roga Parvata Dambholihi.
रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिः रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिः
Mrityudaru Kutharika.
मृत्युदारुकोठारिका मृत्युदारुकोठारिका
रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिर्मृत्युदारु कुठारिका
रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिर्मृत्युदारुकुठारिका रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिर्मृत्युदारुकुठारिका
भाग्याभिचन्द्रिका भक्तचित्तकेकी घना घना रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिर्मृत्युदारु कुठारिका
भाग्याभिचन्द्रिका घना घना रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिर्मृत्युदारुकुठारिका भाग्याभिचन्द्रिका भक्तचित्तकेकी घना घना रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिर्मृत्युदारुकुठारिका.
So in the first line of this verse, we have two names. In the second line, like I said earlier, there are two names, which is Roga Parvata Dambholihi and Mrityudaru Kutharika. Since we are chanting this together, we will chant this as Roga Parvata Dambholir Mrityudaru Kutharika. Next one, 145. Maheshwari, Mahakali, Mahagrasa, Mahashana. Aparna, Chandika, Chandamundasura, Nishudini. Sha is Shanmukha Sha. Maheshwari, Mahakali, Mahagrasa, Mahashana. Aparna, Chandika, Chandamundasura, Nishudini. Maheshwari, Mahakali.
Maheshwari, Mahakali. Maheshwari, Mahakali.
Mahagrasa, Mahashana.
Mahagrasa, Mahashana. Mahagrasa, Mahashana.
Maheshwari, Mahakali. महाग्रासा महाशना
महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना
अपर्णा चंडिका Sai Shruti, you are on mute. I'm not able to hear you.
अपर्णा चंडिका अपर्णा चंडिका
चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी
चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी
अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी
अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी
महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी
महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी
Kshamita. In this, it's very clear. The first line has 4 names and second line has 3 names, which makes it 7. Let us move to the next one, which is 146. Ksharaksharatmika. This is ksha, ksha, ksha. Ksharaksharatmika. Sarvalokeshi Vishwadharini. Dha is a Mahapranaksara. Trivargadatri Subhaga Triambaka Trigunatmika. Trivargadatri Subhaga. Bha is a Mahapranaksara. Here Triambaka, the ra and ya. Triambaka Trigunatmika. Ksharatmika.
क्षराक्षरात्मिका क्षराक्षरात्मिका
सर्वलोकेशी
सर्वलोकेशी सर्वलोकेशी
विश्वधारिणी
विश्वधारिणी विश्वधारिणी
क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी
क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी
त्रिवर्गदात्री सुभगा
त्रिवर्गदात्री सुभगा त्रिवर्गदात्री सुभगा
त्र्यम्बका
त्र्यम्बका त्र्यम्बका
त्रिगुणात्मिका
त्रिगुणात्मिका त्रिगुणात्मिका
त्रिवर्गदा त्रिसुभगा त्र्यम्बका त्र्यम्बका त्रिगुणात्मिका
त्रिवर्गदा त्रिसुभगा त्र्यम्बका त्रिगुणात्मिका त्रिवर्गदा त्रिसुभगा त्र्यम्बका त्रिगुणात्मिका
क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी त्रिवर्गदा त्रिसुभगा त्र्यम्बका त्रिगुणात्मिका
क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी त्रिवर्गदा त्रिसुभगा त्र्यम्बका त्रिगुणात्मिका क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी त्रिवर्गदा त्रिसुभगा त्र्यम्बका त्रिगुणात्मिका
Tamam. So in the first line, we have three names: Ksharaksharatmika, Sarvalokeshi, and Vishwadharini. In the second line, which is very clear, we have four names: Trivargadatri, Subhaga, Triambaka, Trigunatmika. So let's move to the 147th verse. Svargapavargada, Shuddha. In Shuddha, we have the and the. Shuddha, Japa Pushpa Nibhakritihi. Pushpa, Shanmukha Sha, Nibhakritihi. Bha is a Mahapranakshara. Svargapavargada, Shuddha, Japa Pushpa Nibhakritihi. Vojovati, Dyutidhara, the and ya alpa prana the here in Dyuti. Dyuti dhara, in dhara, dha is a Mahaprana. Dyuti dhara, Yajna Rupa, Priyavrata, Svargapavargada, Shuddha,
स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा
Japa Pushpanibhakritihi.
जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः
Svargapavargada, Shuddha, Japa Pushpanibhakritihi.
स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः
Vojovati Dyutidhara,
ओजोवती द्युतिधरा ओजोवती द्युतिधरा
Yajnarupa Priyavrata,
यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता
Vojovati Dyutidhara, Yajnarupa Priyavrata.
ओजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता ओजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता
Svargapavargada, Shuddha, Japa Pushpanibhakritihi. Vojovati Dyutidhara, यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता
स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः ओजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः ओजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता
Shamyata. We have 3 names in the first line of this verse and 4 names in the second line of this verse. Let's move to the next one. Duraradhya. Dha is a Mahapranakshara. Duraradhya. Duradharsha. In Duradharsha, the second word in the first line, first Da is a Alpa Pranakshara, Du. Duradharsha, the third letter is the Mahaprana Dha. And Sha is a Shanmukha Sha. Duradharsha. Patali Kusuma Priya. Mahati Meru Nilaya. Mandara Kusuma Priya. Duraradhya.
दुराराध्या दुराराध्या
Duradharsha.
दुराधर्षा दुराधर्षा
Patali Kusuma Priya.
पाटली कुसुमप्रिया पाटली कुसुमप्रिया
Duraradhya Duradharsha. Patali Kusuma Priya.
दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुमप्रिया दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुमप्रिया
Mahati Meru Nilaya.
महती मेरुनिलया महती मेरुनिलया
Mandara Kusuma Priya.
मंदार कुसुमप्रिया मंदार कुसुमप्रिया
Mahati Meru Nilaya. Mandara Kusuma Priya.
महती मेरुनिलया मंदार कुसुमप्रिया महती मेरुनिलया मंदार कुसुमप्रिया
Duraradhya Duradharsha. Patali Kusuma Priya. Mahati Meru Nilaya. Mandara Kusuma Priya.
दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुमप्रिया महती मेरुनिलया मंदार कुसुमप्रिया दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुमप्रिया महती मेरुनिलया मंदार कुसुमप्रिया
In the first line of this verse, we have 3 names. Second line, we have 3 names, which makes it 6. Let's move to the 149th verse. Shamyata. Yeah, I hope I'm audible. Veeraradhya. In Veeraradhya, Dha is a Mahapranakshara. Viradrupa. So here we have Alpa Prana da. Viradrupa. Here it's a Dirgha again in both. Viradrupa, Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi. Kha is a Mahaprana. Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pranada, Pranarupini. Viraradhya.
Veeraradhya, Veeraradhya,
Viradrupa. You are not audible. Ha. Now, yes, I think you are on mute. Go ahead.
Viradrupa, Viradrupa,
Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi.
Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi, Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi,
Viraradhya, Viradrupa, Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi.
Veeraradhya, Veeradrupa, Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi, Veeraradhya, Veeradrupa, Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi,
Pratyagrupa, Parakasha.
Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pratyagrupa, Parakasha,
Pranada, Pranarupini.
Pranada, Pranarupini, Pranada, Pranarupini,
Pratyagrupa, Parakasha. Pranada, Pranarupini.
Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pranada, Pranarupini, Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pranada, Pranarupini,
Viraradhya, Viradrupa, Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi. Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pranada, Pranarupini.
Veeraradhya, Veeradrupa, Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi, Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pranada, Pranarupini, Veeraradhya, Veeradrupa, Viraja, Vishwato Mukhi, Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pranada, Pranarupini.
The first line we have 4 names. Second line we have 4 names, which makes it 8. So let's move to the next one, 150. Martanda Bhairavaradhya. So here Bhairava, Bha is a Mahaprana. Before that we have Alpa Prana Da. Martanda Bhairavaradhya. Dha is a Mahaprana. Mantrini, we have Na, Tha and Ra with Ikara. Mantrini Nyasta Rajya Dhuhu. Dha Mahapranakshara, the last letter of the first line, followed by a Visarga. Martanda Bhairavaradhya Mantrininyasta Rajya Dhuhu. Tripureshi Jayatsena Nistraigunya Sathara and we have I. Nistraigunya Parapara. Martanda Bhairavaradhya.
Martanda Bhairavaradhya. Martanda Bhairavaradhya.
Mantriniyastarajyadhuhu.
Mantriniyastarajyadhuhu. Mantriniyastarajyadhuhu.
Martandabhairavāradhya mantrinīnyastarajyadhuhu.
Martanda Bhairavaradhya Mantriniyastarajyadhuhu. Martanda Bhairavaradhya Mantriniyastarajyadhuhu.
Tripureshi Jayatsena.
Tripureshi Jayatsena. Tripureshi Jayatsena.
Nistraigunya Parapara.
Nistraigunya Parapara. Nistraigunya Parapara.
Tripureshi Jayatsena Nistraigunya Parapara.
Tripureshi Jayatsena Nistraigunya Parapara. Tripureshi Jayatsena Nistraigunya Parapara.
Martandabhairavāradhya mantrinīnyastarajyadhuhu. Tripureshi Jayatsena Nistraigunya Parapara.
Martanda Bhairavaradhya Mantriniyastarajyadhuhu. Tripureshi Jayatsena Nistraigunya Parapara. Martanda Bhairavaradhya Mantriniyastarajyadhuhu. Tripureshi Jayatsena Nistraigunya Parapara.
Uttamam. We have two names in the first line of this verse and and four names in the second line of this verse. Let's just chant once what we learned today, and then I'll call out the names for practice. I think I started from 143. So I will chant once from 143 to 150. Bhavadavasudha vrishtihi paparanyadavanala. So if we chant together, Bhavadavasudha vrishtif paparanyadavanala. Daurbhagyatula batula jaradhvantara viprabha. Bhagyabdhichandrika bhakta chittageki ghana ghana. Roga parvata dambholir mrityu daru kutharika. So the common mistake we do in this verse is bhakta chitta keki. Sometimes, people tend to put a dirgha after this keki. It's wrong. It is keki. Hrasva. भाग्याभिचन्द्रिका भक्तचित्तकेकी घना घना रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिर्मृत्युदारुकुठारिका महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी त्रिवर्गदात्री सुभगा त्र्यम्बका त्रिगुणात्मिका. This is त्र्यम्बका त्रिगुणात्मिका स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः वोजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुमप्रिया महती मेरुनिलया मन्दारकुसुमप्रिया वीराराध्या विराड्रूपा विरजा विश्वतोमुखी प्रत्यग्रूपा पराकाशा प्राणदा प्राणरूपिणी मार्ताण्डभैरवाराध्या मन्त्रिणी न्यस्तराज्यधूः त्रिपुरेशी जयत्सेना निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा. I request the attendees to raise hands for chanting practice. I request those who have got opportunity in the last class to please not raise your hands so that others get an opportunity. Nandini B, would you like to chant the 150th verse, please? I've unmuted you. Yes. Bhagini, can you chant? Nandini Bhagini, we are not able to hear you. Can you chant now? I hope you are unmuted now.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes. Please go ahead.
मार्ताण्डभैरवाराध्या मन्त्रिणीन्यस्तराज्यभू त्रिपुरेशी जयत्सेना निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा.
Uttamam. First line, could you please chant once again if you don't mind? Only the first line.
मार्ताण्डभैरवाराध्या मन्त्रिणीन्यस्तराज्यधू त्रिपुरेशी जयत्सेना निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा.
Good. In the first line, this visarga in the last should be heard. Okay. So it's a common mistake that all of us do. So don't worry. Yeah. So what we do when we come to the end, we will stop. So this visarga has to be heard clearly. Okay. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Mayura Jayam, I have unmuted you. 149th verse.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Viraratya Vidarupa Viradrupa Viraja Vishwatomukhi Pratyagrupa Parakasha प्राणदा प्राणरूपिणी
Second line, first word. Pratyagrupa. Can you chant?
प्रत्यग्रूपा पराकाश प्राणदा प्राणरूपिणी
Just the first word. Sai Smriti, can you chant this second line of 149, verse number 149?
प्रत्यग्रूपा पराकाशा प्राणदा प्राणरूपिणी
Mayura Bhagini, would you like to chant the second line again?
Sure. प्रत्यग्रूपा पराकाश प्राणदा प्राणरूपिणी
Dhanyavadaha. So for the benefit of
Thank
all of us here, so here the Pratyagrupa, there is a Ditvam Ga doubling happening. Pratyagrupa, okay? It's not Pratyagrupa, it is Pratyagrupa Parakasha. That's how we chant this. Dhanyavadaha
thank you.
Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद
Vijaya Sundaram, 148, verse number 148.
Yes, ma'am. Duraratya duratarsa patali kusuma priya mahadi meru nilaya mandara kusuma priya.
Mahodaya, can you chant the first padam again, please?
Viraratya viratrupa.
Which I want you to chant the 148
Sorry,
verse.
148. Sorry, yeah. Duraratya duratarsa.
Uttamam. Just ensure you put little more stress, little more prana effort into this dha mahaprana. Duraradhya, duradharsha. Okay, otherwise it's correct. Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. Tripti Jambusaria, I have unmuted you, Bhagini. 147.
Yes, ma'am. Sarvaga parvaga dashutta japa pushpani bhakruti ojovati drupidara yagna rupa priyavrata.
Okay, Tripti Bhagini, I will chant once. You can repeat after me. I'll chant padam by padam. Okay? Svarga Vargada Shuddha.
Swarga
1 minute, Bhagini. Okay, I'll do one thing. I will chant padam by padam. That okay? Listen to me, and after me you can chant. Svarga Vargada Shuddha.
Swarga parvagada shuddha.
Svarga Vargada.
Swarga parvargada.
1 second. Listen. Svarga
Swarga
no, it's not p. It is Svarga Vargada.
Swarga pavargada shuddha.
Japa Pushpanibhakritihi.
Japa pushpanibhakrutihi.
Ojovati
Ojovati
Dyutidhara
Dyutidhara
Yajnarupa
Yagnarupa
Priyavrata.
Priyavrata.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Radha Krishna R. Mahodaya, I've unmuted you.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Ksharatmika सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी त्रिवर्गदात्री सुभगा त्र्यम्बगा त्रिगुणात्मिका.
It's more or less correct. In between, some small corrections are required. I'll chant once you repeat after me. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Ksharatmika.
क्षराक्षरात्मिका
Sarvalokeshi.
सर्वलोकेशी
Vishwadharini.
विश्वधारिणी
Trivargadatri.
त्रिवर्गदात्री
Subhaga.
सुभगा.
The third word in the second line is where most of us do the mistake. Triambaka.
त्र्यम्बका
Trigunatmika.
त्रिगुणात्मिका.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well chanted. Anuradha Bhagini, 145 verse number 145. I've unmuted you.
महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुर निषूदिनी.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Ramadevi, yes. Ramadevi Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
You can chant the 144, verse number 144, Bhagyabdi.
Okay. भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका भक्त चित्त की घना घना रोग पर्वत दंभोळी मृत्युदारु कुठारिका.
Okay, second line Bhagini. I will chant once, you can repeat after me. Just observe here. Roga parvata dambholir mrityudaru kutarika.
रोग पर्वत दंभोळिर मृत्युदारु कुठारिका.
So, and this la is there, no, in Dambholi. This is la. It is la, Lakshmi la. Okay.
La. Okay. Ma'am, a small doubt. Here also Maheshwari, Mahakali, Kali, ya la la.
It's la, Lakshmi la, Mahakali.
Kali. Okay.
Yes.
It's also Dambholi.
Dambholi, correct.
Okay. Roga parvata dambholir mrityudaru kutarika.
So you have to observe here, it is a hrasva. It's dambholir. Immediately the dambholir. It's not dambholir is wrong. Roga parvata dambholir mrityudaru kutarika.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Meghalata Bhagini, 143.
भवदा वसुधा वृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा.
Very good, you chanted the Upadhvaniya. However, just note down here, it's Paparanya Davanala. There is no Dirgha letter, there is no Dirgha Swara after Ya, okay? Paparanya Davanala.
पापारण्यदवानला. Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha. KM Bindu, 142, verse number 142.
मिथ्या जगदधिष्ठान मुक्तिदा मुक्तिरूपिणी लास्य प्रिया लयकरी लज्जारंभादिवंदिता.
First padam again. Listen. Mithya from there.
जगद्धिष्ठाना
One second. Mithya jagadadhisthana. Repeat.
मिथ्या जगदधिष्ठाना मिथ्या
That's correct.
जगदधिष्ठाना मुक्तिदा मुक्तिरूपिणी लास्य प्रिया लयकरी लज्जारम्भादिवन्दिता
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. MBL Madhubala Bhagini. Verse number 141, please.
చిత్కలానందకలికా ప్రేమరూపా ప్రియంకరీ నామపారాయణ ప్రీతా నంది విద్యా నటేశ్వరీ.
Tamam, Dhanyavadaha. And last person for the day. Harinarayana Reddy Vanga Mahodaya. 140th verse.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
स्वतंत्रा सर्वतंत्रेसि दक्षिणामूर्तिरूपिणी कनकादि समाराध्या शिवज्ञानप्रदायिनी.
Tamam. Just ensure you chant the Mahapranakshara in Sanakadi Samaradhya. Would you like to repeat?
कनकादि समाराध्या शिवज्ञानप्रदायिनी.
Yeah, only this Mahaprana you need to focus. Dha. Okay. Alpa Prana is the. Mahaprana is dha.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. So before we close the class, there have been some questions, some discussions regarding, some people have missed some classes. Where would I get the recordings, or, what about the assessments, etc. So I'll just take a minute and clarify those things. So in case if you have joined late or if you have missed any class, you can always go to the course page of sanskritfromhome.in and you can find the previous class recordings available there. If it is not available there for any reason, or if you are not able to access also, you can go to the Vyoma's YouTube channel and there you can find the entire recordings uploaded to the YouTube channel also. So all the classes recordings will be uploaded probably in if the class is today, maybe in another two days time or 3 days time, it will be uploaded. So you will find there. And the script, many people have been asking for PDF. It is available on the course page. So please go and check there. In case if you are not able to find it there, please send out a mail to me with a CC to the Vyoma team. Or, if you send it to me also, I will share it with them so that you could get some help on that. And the third thing regarding the assessments. So we have today completed 150th verse. So once we complete the entire learning of the Sahasranama, we will have couple of revision classes where we will chant the entire whatever from the Dhyana Shloka to the end so that we all get sufficient practice. So few classes will be dedicated for that. So after that, there will be some time, maybe few days or week or two, depending on the schedule and all, we will be fixing the assessment dates. So there will be two types of assessment. One is Smaranam, that is memory. So memorizing the entire Sahasranamam, including the Dhyana Shlokas, and on that day, when the assessment happens, you will be asked to chant from a particular verse. We will be prompting you. Like, for example, the guru, the judge, whoever comes on that day, could ask you, can you chant from Swatantra? So we will chant from Swatantra, Sarvatantreji. So we will chant. So that's how the assessment. That is for Smaranam, memory. First type of assessment. Second type of assessment is Parayanam assessment. That is looking at the script, reading from the script, which you can have the script with you. in the language which is comfortable for you, and the verse number will be prompted. For example, can you chant from 123rd verse? So you will be chanting from that particular verse. So that is how the assessments will happen. While I insist all of you to memorize Smaranam, register for memory. Please memorize. However, in case if you're finding it very difficult to memorize, you can always go for a Parayanam assessment. But my request to all of you is to do this Smaranam, that is which helps us to learn and present. So, but don't worry, we have time for the assessments. You will be given information, you will be given time slots, etc. There is a separate process and communication which will happen for that. So because there were some discussions happening and there were some repeated questions, I'm trying to answer this in advance. Yes, complete Sahasranama chanting will be done and uploaded. Meanwhile, if you want to practice with the complete Sahasranama also, we had a live session, during the Navaratri. That is, I think we did it on October 9th. So we had a complete Sahasranama chanting, a live session was there. That recording would be available on YouTube. Please feel free to go ahead and access it and practice from that also. So with this, we will close today's class. There are a few other questions. I think I'll try to answer in the next class regarding memorization, next batch, etc. I will answer in the next class. Please feel free to bring up these questions in the next class also. Let us do the Mangalam. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Triambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Ram. Dhanyavadaha. Pranams to everyone. A few more questions are coming on this. Please bring it up in the next class. I will definitely answer it. So let us complete the class today. Punar Milamaha. Ram.